NBAI. The dream about AI will come true. Hello dear crypto enthusiasts! The dream about AI integration will come true very soon. Taking into account that AI will take its place in our lives sooner or later, designers can offer us solutions that can let high technologies develop. The NBAI team, or NBAI's Cloud GPU service, GPU Cloud Drive, is doing their best to integrate AI into blockchain and trying to help all the people interested in it to make their own efforts to reach the goal. Current blockchain problems. Does the blockchain have any problems in current stage of IT development? We suppose that when buying brand new computer equipment, we expect at least 1 or year and a half proper service working. Using realistic DAPP platform structures, you must be appealing to different kinds of built-in applications. Most likely, it's a browser installed on your PC, tablet or smartphone. At first sight, it's just a cover which hides unbelievable opportunities that blockchain offers. By the way, it's not enough for blockchain structure. Nevertheless, already in half a year working, we see that it starts to lag, showing its character. It doesn't depend on the device itself, but on the network. As long as you are not connected, your device works well, but when you set the connection, you are having problems with computing. The point is, it's not only internet's fault, but also blockchain's. What is the idea of NBAI Innovative Standard? The project founders understood that all the digital technologies development problems must be solved within computing performance of used power, which is the main resource. And as soon as the humanity understands their unrealized formats and potentials of their devices, the easier the AI integration is going to be. For the past 2-3 years, huge progress in this sphere has been made. It showed that we shouldn't be afraid of bold decisions. But when reaching some solution, users face the problem of passing data efficiently. All the efforts for effective using of AI were aimed on building apps. But as soon as one problem was solved, another one appeared. The thing is that all current talents were not adjusted for DAPPs. NBAI Cloud Service can solve difficult problems, and designers integrated improved DAPPs deployability parameters, integrating AI standards into the structure of the scheme too. This way, they can transform habitual DAPP into a brand new DIP app. Instead of centralized platforms, which AI now uses, decentralized structures will be involved. They will be able to control all the applications simultaneously. Figuratively speaking, energy demands are going to decrease, as in the GPU structure, all the efforts will be directed to using miners' power exceptionally for computing purposes. Exterior participants of the scheme will also be able to use NBAI, creating their own platforms, and earn on them. Only rewards are to be given exceptional inner NBAI standard token. Tools and technologies. CEO designers of cloud service have developed 5 main tools to use for power conversion. AI main structure, offer and demand analytics between all transaction parties, suppliers and consumers. Material structure of the computing scheme. Users can change the original parameters of material blocks, adapting them to their standards. Constant software update demanded. DAI structure. The individual interface will be designed in such a way that the user will get what is needed from AI. Data storage. For quality and efficient data storage, a special type of cloud is going to be used. Interplanetary file system. Training center. In order all users can use the platform efficiently, an artificial training center will be created. It will set functionality of its own decentralized apps. Besides, it will be possible to advertise the platform with special standards of network distribution. This will help to solve those problems which AI now has for factorialization and popularization, including help with technical problems. About tokens inside NBAI. The inner cloud drive tokens are supposed to be used. They have one of 3 scenarios of working. Tokens designated for ready platform testing. The speed of testing will depend on spent tokens inside the cloud. Payment mode of using. You'll be able to realize and monetize your services and apps on the basis of available cloud drive standards. Expanding of current applications. Use NBAI token to improve or expand the functionality of decentralized platforms. During the whole project functioning, 6.5 billion NBAI will be released. One ATH is 100,000 NBAI. Hard cap is 18,000 ATH. Dear friends, now miners and designers can have a sigh of relief, because we found the solution for improving all technical tools of data storage and processing through GPU on the basis of NBAI Cloud Drive. If some companies are now just starting to integrate new standards of AI, NBAI offers ready-made solutions to solve the problems in this sphere.